Hi, Raymond Whitaker from Viva MK. Just unboxing a delivery which I got this morning. So I got enough products in it to get free delivery. So let's unpack it and see what's inside. So let's get it open and see what we got. So we got the delivery note. We got some furniture sliders. We got food and freezer bags. Got kitchen scissors. Got fat controller for grill and oven pads. So it just catches the fat from the sausages and bacon when you fry them on the grill. So we got some iron cleaning pads. So we got insects, killer, fly killer. We've got 2 bags of seeds. We've got furniture marker, restorer, furniture restorer. We've got 2 Clean Easies, scrub and shine cleaning pads. It's got a pet glove to brush in your pets. Got a coat hanger saving space. Hard to get. Can get them from Bring Me Up for these cupcake cases. So we've got egg lifters. Got blast can air freshener. Got another blast can air freshener. Another blast can air freshener. We've got a cat shopping bag. We got a large garden refuse bag. We've got a second fly killer. We've got sink fresheners. Got here hand cream. Something for that later on. Got a snapshot magnetic insect door screen to stop flies coming in from the outside. So we've got a nice bathroom shelving. Got a nice snakes and ladder game for 5 years plus. A couple of essential oils. Got crystal stake lights, some solar lights. So inside the box we've got another box. So just get rid of this box. That one's empty. So inside this box so we've got some Epsom salts. You get used to seeing this now. Drain away, drain cleaner. We've got some Golden Glow wood polish. Got a washing cleaner. Some tablets to clean your washing. Got a weed killer. Second weed killer. So we've got some Viva MK eco-friendly bathroom cleanser degreaser. Sleepy Clean. So cleans your mattresses, sold mattresses. Got Arthur's Ants. Got Stain Away. We've got eco-friendly mould and mildew remover. So that's this box empty. So let's have a look what we have in these white bags. So we've got some smoothing foot soap. Let's have a look, see what we've got in here. We've got some foot deodorant. Got some Beauty UK photo ready full coverage like foundation. Got a concealer, compact face powder. We got a eyeshadow palette. So we got some nail varnish. Got a yellow and a green. And we also got the hard to come by the red nail varnish. So let's have a look and see what's in this second box. We've got a show stand microwave cleaning stream. Haven't sold that many boxes. And in this looks like we've got some free catalogues for the amount of retail I did last periods. Got these free catalogues. The invoices are in there. And we got a packet of free snappy bags. So that's everything inside this box. All from Viva MK Network. So thank you for watching. If you see anything you like from this video, just give me a PM and I'll be able to drop shop you the items. Okay, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.